Hi everyone, I'm John Rico Sabe, and this is my self concept. At the center of who I am, I describe myself as a focused, disciplined, humble, and determined. These traits guide how I learn, I live, and grow every day. For my emotional self, I try to understand my feelings and handle them in a healthy way. I value peace of mind and staying calm, especially during challenges. For my cognitive self, I am curious and eager to learn. I enjoy solving problems and exploring new ideas that help me improve. In my social self, I value real and meaningful connection. I see myself as a good listener and supportive friends, and someone who enjoys teamwork. For my for my moral self, I believe in honesty, respect, and kindness. I try to do what is right, even when no one is watching. My digital self reflects responsibility. I use social media carefully, share a positive content, and protect my privacy while respecting others online. For my resilient self, I don't give up easily. I learn from my mistakes and always try to bounce back stronger. What I learned about myself is that I am more than what people see. My thoughts, emotion, and experience all shapes who I am today. In my real life, I am more expressive, while online, I am more mindful of what I share. My core values are kindness, integrity, loyalty, growth, and gratitude. And my life motto is discipline today, freedom tomorrow. And thank you.